Oscars, Best Picture nominations, and I turn them into delicious dishes. For our final dessert, we're honoring sentimental value with seedimental value. Lemon poppy seed goldies. I'll explain. Was just a gorgeous movie, and I wanted to make something that really honored it. Lemon poppy seed goldies. What's a goldie, you ask? It's not a lemon poppy seed brownie. It's not a lemon poppy seed blondie. So we've got a new one. It's rich but subtle, tart but really also sweet. It's an amazing, chewy yet cakey experience. You have to try these. KitchAnnette, a little kitchen with a lot of flavor.